The May Garden in Zone 7, brought to you by Grow Health TV. Is a peony in the garden. Beautiful color, fuchsia. And this is a shot of Garden 2. We have some cucumbers and over there zucchini. Here's a stone fruit shot. I've got, I don't know, 8 or 10 stone fruits. Lone tomato. Another shot coming up of a peony. You just can't get enough of peony. They are a beautiful flower and they're quite large. You can't tell in the photo, but they're quite large. And another shot of Zone Garden 2. Zucchini. Beans in the back of the zucchini. Coming along real well. Swiss chard cucumbers. There's peppers in the center. You can't see them. And they're doing well. Excellent, very healthy. May 10th is when I shot this. So like, share, and subscribe. Thank you for doing so. Comment too, I would love to hear your comments. And thanks for watching from Grow Health TV. And as always, let's grow health together. Ciao.